Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech and Tips with King. In this video, I am going to show how you can run Windows 11 in Android using Limbo PC Emulator, and the internet connection is enabled. So without any wasting of time, let's get into the video. In this video, I am going to show how you can run Windows 11 in your Android with using Limbo PC Emulator application. In my previous video, I've already shown that how you can run Windows 11 in your Android, and I've already shown how you can run Windows 11 in low-end device. So this is the another version of the Windows 11, and this Windows 11 supported the internet. So I am going to show how you can run that Windows with internet. So first of all, you have to download the Windows 11 VSD file, the download in the description. And second thing, you have to download the Limbo PC emulator. And there are a lot of videos on my channel. Basically, this is the PC emulator. This is the Android application. While using this application, we can run any Windows, ISO, Linux file in Android. So make sure to turn on internet before starting up, because I've already mentioned this Windows 11 supported internet. So first of all, you have to open the Limbo PC emulator application, and I've already set everything. So I've just created the machine name with the 11, and as you can see, this is the user interface. So let me just quickly show which settings I have done in the Limbo PC emulator, so you can do the same. So as you can see, the architecture is 64, the Windows 11 is 64-bit. The CPU model I have selected Code Duo. I always select Code Duo in Windows. And CPU cores I have selected 6, RAM, maximum RAM I have selected, and I have enabled MTTCG, and I have unchecked the disabled TSC. So this is all the settings I have done in the CPU board. And disk, you have to select the Windows 11 VSD file in the disk 1. You have to click on the boot from hard disk, and you have to get into the network. You have to click on the user, and this is the network card. You have to select RT L8139. So this is the network card you have to select, because I already mentioned the internet is supporting in this Windows 11, so that's why you have to select the network card. Without selecting network card, the internet won't work, and make sure you have connected with the internet before starting up the Windows. Scroll down, you have to click on the high priority. So this is all the settings you have to do in the Limbo PC emulator. So before starting up the Windows, let me just turn the Android phone, set up the camera, and come back again. You can see we have done all the settings. I turn on the Android phone to get the better view for better understanding. So we have done all the settings in the Limbo PC emulator, and make sure to connect the internet. It's my mobile data Wi-Fi. I've connected with my Wi-Fi, so I've done all the settings. So let me just click to play button. So as you can see, it will saying booting from hard disk. And this is the Windows 11, the heavy version, so it will going to take some time to boot up. So I'm going to fast forward this video while booting up the Windows 11. So as you can see in the screen, this is the Windows 11 boot up screen, and this is the Windows 11 logo appear on the screen. So it will going to take some time to fully boot up. So let me just fast forward this video and come back after Windows 11 fully boot up in my Android phone. So as you can see in the screen, finally the Windows 11 has been successfully booted in my Android phone. So as you can see, this is the Limbo PC emulator, and this is the Windows 11. And the most important thing of this Windows 11 is the internet connection. As you can see, the internet is connected with this Windows 11. As you can see in the screen, it will showing up in the status bar. So let me just first clear you. This is the or Windows 11 in the Russian language, but soon I'm going to show how you can change the language. So let me just show you the properties of the this Windows 11 first of all. So basically this is the very high-end Windows 11, very heavy version. So you require a high-end device to run this Windows 11 in your Android. At least minimum 6 GB of RAM is required minimum, and maximum you can use the 8 and 12, so it will run very good. Less than 6 GB won't work, so you need a minimum 6 GB of RAM and a good processor to run this Windows 11. Many people commenting on my videos that this Windows is not working, not booting up. So make sure you are using a high-end device with minimum of 6 GB of RAM in your Android to boot up any heavy version of Windows. So as you can see, I am using this my Android smartphone with 6 GB RAM, but still it's loading very slow because this Windows 11 required a more high-end device, minimum 8 GB of RAM. So the main purpose of showing this Windows 11 is a tutorial. Soon I am going to show how you can so there is no preloaded Chrome browser in this, but there is a Microsoft Edge, but there is some bugs in it, so that's why I'm not going to show. So now I'm going to show how you can install Chrome browser in this Windows 11 and how you can install any software in this Windows 11. So the internet connection is connected with this Windows 11, and make sure you are also connected the Android phone with internet's mobile data or Wi-Fi. So as you can see, it will taking some time to open up, and also for this is first time booting up after clearing data of Limbo PC emulator. Before making video, I test every Windows it's working or not, it have some bugs or not. So before I test it, then I've cleared data all the Limbo PC emulator, and I do everything from the beginning. So this is the first time after clearing data of Limbo PC emulator opening up the Windows 11. So that's why taking some time. After using for a while, it will boot everything faster. The time and date is synced successfully in this Windows 11. As you can see, it will showing the time and date. The main purpose of showing this Windows 11 is showing that we can run Windows 11 in Android with using Limbo PC emulator, and in this Windows 11 the internet is enabled, so you can access the internet. There is a Microsoft Edge preloaded browser, but there are a lot of bugs I've tested, so I'm not going to open it here. Soon I'm going to make a video. I already mentioned that how you can install a Chrome browser in any Android, Chrome browser in any Limbo PC emulator, Chrome browser in any Windows in Limbo PC emulator. So as you can see, it will opening up the properties of this PC and still loading, and in the Russian language. So as you can see, it will open up all the settings, and as you can see, this is the fully working Windows 11. So let me just show you. It will saying home PC, and we have selected the Intel Core 2 Duo processor, which is 2.40 gigahertz and 2 GB of RAM. So this is the all the details, 64-bit processor. So this is the all the details of this PC, and as you can see, this is the Bluetooth device, network, internet, every settings over here. So as you can see, this is the fully working Windows 11 running in Android with using Limbo PC emulator. The internet connection is enabled, and there are not much preloaded softwares. The basic utilities and accessories of this Windows 11, which is preloaded, pre-installed in the Windows 11. So just now I've clicked to start button, and as you can see, there are only few softwares provided in this Windows by the developer, which is a Microsoft Edge. So as you can see, this is the Windows 11 perfectly working in Android. Let me just refresh the desktop, and as you can notice, slowly the Windows getting faster in processing, everything getting faster. So while using for using, while it will can speed up your PC. So as you can see in the screen, the internet is perfectly working. Just now I've searched the search bar Google, so it will opening up this search engine as a Yandex. So everyone knows about the Yandex. Basically Yandex is a search engine like a Google. So basically this is the from the Russia. So it will opening up the internet, and I already mentioned there are a lot of bugs over in the Microsoft Edge. So I just try to show the internet is working or not. So a lot of people commenting on my videos that this Windows is not work, where the internet is not work. So this is the proof that the internet is perfectly working in this Windows 11. So there are a lot of bugs, but I try to show. I try to manage to show you. So as you can see, there are a lot of bugs over here. So that's why I'm just closing the Microsoft Edge browser. And as you can see, this is the Windows 11. The internet is perfectly working. Soon I'm going to show how you can install Chrome browser, any other browser to work in this Windows 11. So as you can see, this is the Windows 11 successfully boot up in Android and running in Android with the internet enabled. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. If you have any question or problem, let me know in the comments. Thank you.